Alright, so let's jump into this problem. If A0 is the initial amount deposited into a savings account and earns a fixed rate of R%, so that we have R% per year, and a constant of 12B is added into the account each year, then AN or A sub n of the savings n years after the initial deposit is made is given by the recursive formula as follows. Now this is recursive because AN going to be our current year, AN minus 1 going to be our previous year. So the formula is expressed in terms of the previous year. So the current year is equal to 1 plus R over 100 times AN minus 1, which is our previous year, plus 12B. What is A3? The amount you have in savings after 3 years you made the initial deposit if, so R is given as a starting point to be 5, A0 is given, or the initial amount is given to be 12,000, and B is given to be 400. So the first thing now that we need to do, we need to find A1. So A1 simply going to be 1 plus R is given to be 5 over 100 times AN minus 1, which is going to be A0 in this case, going to be 12,000 plus 12. Now my initial B, or B is given to be 400. So if I type this into my calculator, my result for A1 is going to simply be 17400. All right, so this is going to be my A1. Now I need to find my A2. So to find my A2, I'm going to do the same thing again. So this is going to be 1 plus 5 over 100. Notice again, my initial amount was given to be 12,000, but in this case, because I have A1, notice this is A2, I'm going to put A1 here. So this is going to be 17400 because I'm defining it recursively. A2, I'm going to be using A1 right here to be the term that I got before. So this is going to be that plus 12 times 400. And as a result, if I put this in my calculator, the result going to give me 23070 after my computation in my calculator. Now, last but not least, we're going to calculate A3. So to calculate A3, let's use a different color. So my A3 simply going to be 1 plus 5 over 100 times, now I'm going to put my A2 in, which is going to be 23070 plus 12 times 400. So my A3, if I type that into my calculator, going to simply be 29023.50. So as a result, my answer is going to be C.